In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever wanted to keep your spreadsheets tidy and consistent, drop-down menus are a simple, reliable way to make sure people choose from the exact options you expect. They're perfect for things like status updates, categories, or yes/no choices, and they help prevent typos and mismatched entries. Start by opening your Google Sheets on your desktop. Make sure you're looking at the sheet where you want the drop-down to live. Next, select the cell or the range of cells where you want the drop-down menu. You can click a single cell, drag to highlight a block of cells, or select an entire column or row if you want the same choices available across a larger area. Choosing the range up front saves you from having to repeat the process later. Now look at the top toolbar and go to the Data menu. From there, click on Data Validation. This opens a panel or dialog where you'll define what kind of entries are allowed in your selected cells. In the Criteria section, select List of Items. This tells Google Sheets that you're going to provide a fixed set of choices that will appear in a drop-down. In the field that appears, enter your list of options separated by commas. For example, you might type Option 1, Option 2, Option 3. Each comma creates a new choice in the drop-down. Keep your items short and clear, and remember that whatever you type here is exactly what users will see, so use consistent capitalization and spelling. If an option has a comma in the name, consider simplifying it to avoid confusion. When you're happy with your list, click Done. Your drop-down menu will now appear in the selected cells. Try clicking one of those cells and you'll see a small arrow on the right. Click it to reveal the choices and select the one you want. This ensures entries are consistent and makes data analysis and filtering much easier down the line. If you ever need to adjust your options, you can return to the Data menu, open Data Validation again, and edit the list. Keeping your drop-downs up to date helps your sheet stay accurate as your project evolves. And if you selected multiple cells at the start, all of them now share the same drop-down, which keeps your workflow consistent without extra work. That's all you need to create a clean, user-friendly drop-down menu in Google Sheets on desktop.